Guys, welcome back to my channel again. For today's video we will do our go down wiring connection. So we have the two-way switch, 4 numbers, 1 2 3 4, and the 3 lights, and we have also the our circuit breaker, which is our main source, or our main connection from the panel board. So we have these all things. Now we have the two-way switch, line 1, line 2, and common, or we call it traveler 1 and traveler number 2, and common line. Common is the same. So we will start our wiring connection. Connect the next switch. And switch number 2 to switch number 3. Then switch number 3 to your last switch, number 4. And if you want to add more switches, so you can add, depends on your design, depend on your required. Next one is our neutral from main source. To your first switch, line number 2, and from here loop to another. Then loop to another switch. Switch number 3, L2 or line 2. Then to your next switch. So it's very clear. It's just only looping. So this is our switch connection from line 1 to another line switch, to another switch, to another switch. In the light, like this, light connection. This is your light connection, 1. switch common. So second switch common, connect also with the two next common, and one more light to another common. Last common will be in your last light. If you want to add more light, you can put here to another switch. Since we have only 4 switch now, we will do like 4 switch only. Remember guys, you can use only 2-way switch for this. Light. So guys, we are done for our wiring. So this is we call the go down light. This switch is 2-way switch, 2-way switch, 2-way switch, and another is 2-way switch. So all is 2-way switch looping each other for power. Line 1. This is our common. This is we call line to neutral, line neutral, line neutral, line neutral. Okay, so let's do our testing. So we will check our power. We don't have power by now, so I will energize our power. Main source, power is there, as you see the light. When we switching on the breaker, power is on traveling already in first switch, second switch, third and fourth switch. So we have the power already now, but our light is still not on. So let's do our power testing again. Main source on, power is on. We have the fluke volt alert, so power is there already. So we will start our first switch on, first light, first switch, power is on. Second switch off the first light and switch on the second light, and second light, switch off this light and switch on the third light. So clear. In third light I will switch off on the last switch. Simple. Third light on for the fourth switch, switch number 4. You can switch off here and on this second light in the middle light, and switch on the first light to here. It's possible also. And the last switch will be on your off. You can switch on all the way everywhere. So it's very basic wiring guys. If you want to add more switches here, can add one switch. How many switch you can add as you wish, you can add, but you have to add also the light. If you have 5 lights, you have to add this 2 switch, 3 switch, and the wiring. It's basic and simple wiring. So this is our go down wiring connection. So again, we will do our testing. Switch 1 on, off. You can switch on this one and off here. Possible also. Switch off here. So this is our basic go down switch. So this is our main source, main circuit breaker, line or common to terminal number 1 or line 1 here, common to another switch, then to another switch, loop to another switch, loop to your last switch, and this is our neutral connect to terminal number 2, as you see here, terminal number 2, neutral to another switch, neutral to another switch, line 2 to another switch, line 2, and light number 1 common to light, and from the here to another common switch number 2 common, and the second light common to switch number 2, and another common from this light, second light to common third switch, and third light to common 3 and 4. So it's clear. So this is our go down wiring connection. So I hope you'll learn something about it. So please subscribe my channel for more videos. Just click the button subscribe, like, or share. You can share any videos of mine. So thank you guys, have a blessed day. Bye bye.